going on, passengers? On today's adventure, I'm here with Zain.
What's going on, passengers?
I am here with Zain.
I'm here with Linden.
And I was just telling him about these ghost stories that happened with me, Zain. And I was just telling Zain about the ghost stories that happened to me in winter in Kudra Desert. This is when I was with Aditya and Pungi. If you guys remember, I Instagram lived it and I was like, guys, something's going down in the desert. Literally, we were being chased. Anyway, I'm gonna save that for the actual story time. But for now, I need to go fill petrol in my car. And we're gonna get like tow ropes and
by the way,
be
guys,
fully prepared.
Guys, stay around, okay? Because you have to listen to this story, right? I'm so skeptical about what Linden's saying.
Guys,
it doesn't seem real.
We are going to the exact spot everything happened, and we're gonna tell you the story there.
Let's just go.
In the desert, guys. Anyway, let's go move on.
Wanna be brave.
Goes down when the truth comes out. I just want you, girl. I just want you, girl.
Yo, man just got his car washed and we're going to the desert.
I just got a car wash, guys.
This how I'm feeling, I hope that you know. Got my head spinning to 24/7, honestly it's out of control. Hate it but can't help it's you that I'm missing. You got it like nobody else. Hide all these feelings I keep to myself. Me and you right now, but you stuck in the veil. Love how you saw me before this came real. Way before limelight and views on my page. Before the world knew about my name. Even before I got myself a fan base. Way before I got on the stage. See that right there is that kind of support that I want. See that right there is that woman I need. Back getting lost in my feelings again. If you need something real, well you know where I'll be. When the sun goes down.
Okay guys, I can't even begin to talk right now. Like I'm seriously in shock. I'm getting like goosebumps. And basically Linden and I were driving down this road and look at what happened. His tire popped. His tire popped. And we were right next to the barrier, the barrier, and mashallah, Linden kept it in control, and thank God. Like, guys, 99 out of 100 times this would have been game over for us.
Man, guys, you know how much I love my baby. This is my car. I'm heartbroken right now to see my car like this, man. First of all, I have work every day, so God knows how I'm gonna get to work. My original method rims are messed up, like gone. Halas, that's gone. This is all gone. Gone. Lights gone. Everything's gone. This needs repainting. Everything. We were going at the speed limit. Tire pops. Do you know how many cases of people driving at around 90 kilometers an hour, tire pops, khalas, car cancelled? Alhamdulillah, we are alive, guys.
Bro, I was just telling them, like, mashallah, you were able to control the car. You know?
Bro, I swear to God, guys, my steering wheel like this. Like, I felt like the car's gonna go like this, and then finish. And there was two big trucks next to us.
Yeah, there was giant trucks right next to us, bro. Bro, that tire is shredded. That's shredded. That was it for us.
Bro, I think right now I'm in shock. That's why I'm not very like worried, but tomorrow morning I will realize like I just got a second life. Like guys, you don't understand, like to the tire to pop.
Look how badly it's popped as well. Like there's nothing left. It's gone. Bro, I just want to call everyone I know and tell them I love them. Guys. Guys, Addy just showed up. But patrol doctors here.
Out of a scale of 1 to 100, how bad the accident was? 100, and I'm lucky to be alive.
Bro, look, it's shredded.
Not that. His tire shredded the metal. Look at this. This is shear. This is what we do in workshop.
Anyway,
How did this break? Like
From the force.
how?
I'm free now.
Linden and Addy are arguing over how bad the damage is.
That's one scratch.
There must be more under this shit.
Okay, there's one there, one there, one there.
Yo, Juma just came in. Man used some cologne and some tissue.
Yeah.
Dr. Patrol, guys, Dr. Patrol.
Bro, guys, it is so hot. Linden just told us. Can I tell them?
Yeah, tell them I'm stupid.
This morning when he started his car, it was shaking, and he didn't check the tires. So Juma just said open the bonnet. If you guys want to buy a Patrol, make sure you hit Juma up on Instagram.
Patrol doctor.
Get him to check it out.
Juma 8715. He's a bit shy. He turns Khanif, you know.
These guys are talking about what would have happened if the tire popped like 2 seconds earlier.
Guys, there was. Okay, this is me.
Ooh.
A bit.
He's bored. He's sick of your stories.
Guys, I'm not even joking. It still hasn't sunk into me yet that we just survived this, bro. Like,
It could have been so much worse.
it could have been so much worse, bro, honestly. Look at that tire, man.
Linden, your face just now.
Mashallah. Say mashallah, guys, please. Mashallah, mashallah, please. It's okay, baby. Anyway, guys, as I was saying, I believe in Ain so much. Basically, Ain is when someone doesn't say mashallah, or if they're jealous of you, they're jealous of your car. This is what happens, guys. First, it was my car broke down. Second was this. So I believe even if the guy is not Muslim, I'm not Muslim, but I say mashallah to everything, because why? Like, why not say mashallah? Like, honestly, it's, if you don't say mashallah, Zain, do you know what I mean, right? Like,
Yeah.
if you don't say mashallah, it's like you're jealous in a way. So guys, we're just following my car right now. Man, breaks my heart seeing my car like this. Look at it flapping, bro. Oh man. Anyway, we shall follow this recovery truck to the garage and see how much I'm gonna be in debt. Anyway guys, just dropped the car off to this garage. Man, words can't describe how sad I am, but at the same time how glad I am and how thankful I am that me and Zain are alive, bro. You guys don't understand. I'm not trying to exaggerate the situation, but honestly, thank God we're alive. Goodbye, baby. I'll see you when you're fixed. Anyway guys, on that bombshell, drive safely. You never know when your life will end. Alhamdulillah, thank you God that me and Zain are alive. Still no answer on how we're alive, but thank God. So guys, I shall catch you guys in the next vlog. Please understand that this vlog will be very, very short, but it's due to this circumstance, and I love you guys. And thank you guys so much for all the supportive Instagram comments you gave to me saying I hope you're okay, hope the car's okay. And like I said, unfortunately I won't be showing my car anymore on the vlogs because wallah ain't. So anyway guys, I shall catch you guys in the next vlog. Also, I will do that story time for you guys. I promise. Stay golden. Cool.
Time.